This is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to showcase how you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So to start, you will need to download and install the free Drive app. That's the unofficial Google application, so you should have no worries. And rest assured that there will be no malwares or viruses with it, I guess, which is kinda goes without saying since this app is placed in the Play Store, but well, whatever. Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at this plus icon to your bottom right, choose the scan option, then grant Drive app with the camera permission or camera access, and then take a photo of the document you wanted to make the scan out of. If you're satisfied with the result, you can hit the OK button and continue. If not, simply retake the photo. In here, I'll frame the part of the photo I would like to result in the final document, since automatically it wasn't done correctly. Then you can change the color scheme of your, well, resulting document that you are about to create, and then just hit the Save button. In here, you can rename the document or perhaps change the folder, the Drive folder that it will be saved to. And then just hit the Save button one last time, wait for your document to be uploaded to Drive. And here is the result. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.